Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main 8th of January 2020 Shift 1 question number 2. If yx is a solution of the differential equation root over 1 minus x square dy dx plus root over 1 minus y square is equal to 0 such that y half is equal to root 3 by 2, then 4 options are given. This is the problem in the house of differential equation with respect to some functions. Now moving to the problem. Given differential equation is root over 1 minus x square dy dx plus root over 1 minus y square is equal to 0. This is our given differential equation. Now just simplifying this, root over 1 minus x square dy dx is equal to minus of root over 1 minus y square. Now dy by root over 1 minus y square is equal to minus of dx divide root over 1 minus x square. Now integrating both sides we get this become sine inverse y and this become sine inverse x. Now integrating both sides, integrating both sides, we get sine inverse y is equal to minus of sine inverse x plus c. C is a constant. Now given y of half is equal to root 3 by 2, that means x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to root 3 by 2. So putting the value x is equal to half and y is equal to root 3 by 2 in this equation. Now we get sine inverse root 3 by 2 is equal to minus sine inverse half plus c. Sine inverse root 3 by 2, we know sine pi by 3 is equal to root 3 by 2. So sine inverse sine of pi by 3 is equal to minus of sine inverse. We also know sine pi by 6 is equal to pi by 3, that is sine of pi by 6 plus c. That implies it becomes pi by 3 is equal to minus pi by 6 plus c. So c is equal to pi by 3 plus pi by 6 is equal to pi by 2. So putting the value of c pi by 2 in this equation. So our main equation becomes sine inverse y is equal to minus of sine inverse x plus half plus pi by 2. Now we want to know the yx solution of the differential equation. So just put this just simplifying one line, sine inverse y is equal to, I just write down pi by 2 minus sine inverse x also. Therefore sine inverse y is equal to pi by 2 minus theta is equal to pi by 2 minus sine of something means cos inverse x Therefore, y becomes sine of cos inverse x. So this function becomes y of x, just like that sine of cos inverse x. And we want to know y of x is equal to y of x is equal to what? So putting x is equal to 1 by root 2 in this equation. Now the equation becomes x is equal to 1 by root 2. Therefore, y is equal to sine of cos inverse 1 by root 2. We know 1 by root 2 is equal to, we know the value of 1 by root 2 is equal to pi by 4. So, sine of cos inverse cos pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2. So, sine of cos inverse cos pi by 4 means only pi by 4, that is equal to 1 by root 2. So we easily say that cos y of 1 by root 2 is equal to 1 by root 2. Y of x is something is equal to x, that is 1 by root 2. So we reached, this is our required answer, and our option is option 3, sine of y of 1 by root 2 is equal to 1 by root 2. So this is the whole problem with solutions. Any questions, any queries, you should just comment me in the comment box. That's all.